Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a French braid bracelet. So let's get started. So in this video you will just need a hook, a rainbow loom, and just rubber bands, any color you like. So you start off with the band. You just twist it and put it here. And then you choose another color. Just like this. And then another orange one. You take your hook, you flip over the last one that's here. Now you add another band, but now you won't do that anymore. So you go in here, you take the second rubber band or the rubber band that's in the middle, you flip it over, and in here you will take the last one or the third one. You take another rubber band. Now in here you won't take the second one, you will take the last one in here and the second one in here. So you just keep repeating that. Second one here, last one here, then last one here, second one here. You just keep repeating that until you're done with your bracelet. So let's keep on going. Okay guys, so now I'll take my bracelet out of the loom and I will connect it with a hook. So you just take the last end of the rubber bands and you put all of them into a hook. And then you take the last rubber band from the other side and you put that in the hook as well. Just like this. And your bracelet will be ready and you can wear it. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more awesome videos. Goodbye.